Clifford, remember when you were a puppy?
One puppy, two puppy on a puppy bed. The littlest one has fur that's
I'm
red.
kind of new, so I'll stick with you. I like new places, seeing lots of new faces. And before this day's through, we'll make good friends like you.
Okay, Clifford, time to make room for the laundry. Hello? Mr. Sidarskys? Mrs. Sidarskys, anybody home?
Oh, come on in, Clifford.
Huh? Hey, Mr. Sidarskys, what's going on?
Oh, nothing, Clifford. We're just moving out.
Moving out?
Honey, do you want to keep this old lint collection? It's getting pretty fuzzy.
Of course, that is going to be very valuable someday.
But why are you moving? Don't you like it here?
Oh, yes, of course we like it, Clifford. We've been here a long time, but the kids are getting bigger. And there's our new baby. He'll be needing his own sock to sleep in soon. We just need more space, that's all.
Gee, I'm sure gonna miss you guys.
Oh, don't worry, Clifford. We're just moving around the corner.
Huh?
That is our new home, right over there.
Oh, that's great!
So we are busy packing up all of our things. And boy, over the years, we sure have collected quite a bit of stuff.
Well, move or no move, this little mouse is due for a nap. There we go.
Wow, the baby fell asleep right away.
Oh, yes. The family clock can lull the crankiest baby to sleep.
It's helped all of our kids take their naps.
Ah, we found the clock in the laundry room years ago. Now it is like part of the family.
Remember how much trouble we had moving it in here? And you were a much younger mouse then.
That's true. You know, it could be a big problem moving it into our new house. We might have to leave it here.
Oh, dear. How will the baby get to sleep without the tick-tock of his favorite clock?
Hey, I have a big idea. Why don't I help you move the clock?
You, Clifford?
Sure. See? For sure.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Clifford, come on. It's time for lunch. Lunch? Gee, I have to go. But don't worry. I'll be back right after lunch to help you move the clock.
Oh, thank you, Clifford.
Come on, silly. Don't eat so
fast, Clifford. You'll give yourself a tummy ache.
Emily Elizabeth is right. I shouldn't eat so fast. But, I have to help the Sidarskys move their clock. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go. Oops.
Clifford, please watch where you're going.
Oh, sorry, Daffodil. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing much. Just hopping around on Emily Elizabeth's hopscotch mat.
Wow, Daffodil, you're a great hopscotcher.
Oh, that's nothing.
Okay. Oh!
Hey, not bad for a beginner. But if you want to be really good, you have to practice. It can take a lot of time.
Time? Time! Oh, the clock! I have to help the Sidarskys move their clock. Gotta go! Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go! Oh!
Sorry, Clifford. We were playing with the ball of yarn, and it kind of got away from us.
Oh, that's okay.
You want to play with us, Clifford?
Oh, sure.
All right. Heads up, Zoe. Coming to you, Clifford.
I got it!
Wow, you really clocked that one, Clifford.
Clocked? Clocked? Oh, clock! I have to help the Sidarskys move their clock. Gotta go!
I'll get the ball of yarn. No, I'll get the ball of yarn.
Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go! That sounded like Jorge's growl. Oh, it definitely is. Oh, I hope he's not in trouble. Jorge? Oh, he's outside. Don't worry, I'm coming! Jorge? Hiya, Jorge.
Oh, hola, Clifford.
I heard you growling. I thought you were in trouble.
Oh, no, buddy. I'm just playing with my rope toy. Hey, you want to join me? It's great for playing tug-of-war.
Okay.
Okay, you grab one end, and I'll grab the other end. Oh, wow, good move, amigo.
Move? Move? Oh, I have to help the Sidarskys move their clock. Gotta go.
Oh, okay. Adios.
Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Oh, They must have already moved without me.
It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Okay, calm down. Stop running, please. There.
Gee, Mrs. Sidarsky, what's wrong?
Oh, the baby just won't settle down for his nap, Clifford. And if the baby's crying, none of the other children can nap either.
Oh, it's because the family clock isn't here, and the baby won't go to sleep without the tick-tock of the family clock. Oh, this is all my fault, Mrs. Sidarsky. I said I would help you move the clock, and I didn't. Now everything's a mess. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right, Clifford.
No, it's not. Oh, I let everybody down.
Well, Clifford, it's not too late to help, you know.
It's not? Well, what can I do?
You can go over to the old mouse hole and help Mr. Sidarsky move the clock. That would solve everything.
Okay, I will. Gotta go.
Maybe if I lift here.
Mr. Sidarsky?
Oh, Clifford. Oh, boy, am I glad you're here. Thank you for coming back.
Aw, don't thank me. I was supposed to be here a lot earlier. I'm really sorry. I should have kept my mind on helping you move, but I kept forgetting.
Oh, that is okay, Clifford. Sometimes I forget things too. The important thing is that you're here now.
Here, let me help you.
Oh, thank you, Clifford.
Oh, that clock did the trick, Clifford. You saved the day.
Come on, let me show you around our new home.
Gee, the place really looks great.
Oh, yes, it is a big step up for us. Lots more room, not as drafty. Plenty of closet space. All in all, just the perfect mouse house.
Well, I wish you the best of luck in your new home.
Oh, we don't need luck, Clifford.
Not when we have friends like you.
Clifford! Where are you, boy? Want to read a story, Clifford? Okay, pick one out. Thanks, Clifford. This looks like a great story. Today's story is Speckle and the Vacation for Everyone. When Speckle returned from his vacation, he invited all of his friends to his house to see a movie he'd made just for them. They watched Speckle play on a sandy beach where he found a fabulous seashell that he brought back for Reba. And when he learned how to dance on a tropical island, he saved the flower necklace for Luna. They saw Speckle explore a deep green forest and pick up a pine cone just for Ravi. Then climbed to the very top of a mountain where he spotted a sparkling stone, perfect for Darnell's collection. Seeing the wonderful sights and having their very own souvenirs, Reba, Ravi, Luna, and Darnell felt like they had been on Speckle's vacation too, and they'd all had a wonderful time. The end. I love reading stories together. You know, Clifford, for such a small dog, you sure are a big reader. Fair is fair.
Oh, I can't wait for the book fair tomorrow.
I know. It's gonna be so much fun.
Just think, Emily Elizabeth, we're actually going to meet Marjorie Maxwell, the author of the Sidarskys mysteries. This must be her booth.
I really love her books.
She's going to have copies of her newest book, Sarah Solver Saves the Day.
We're definitely gonna be there for that. Hey, guys. Hi. What are you doing?
We're helping Mr. Solomon set up the Storytellers Pavilion.
Hi, girls.
Hi, Mr. Solomon.
Here's the backdrop.
This'll look great.
What's the Storytellers Pavilion?
It's for kids to come and listen to volunteers reading stories.
That sounds so cool.
That's where the kids will sit.
And this is where Evan and I are gonna read the stories.
You two get to be storytellers?
You bet.
Isn't that cool?
If you two are interested, we're still looking for more volunteers.
I'd love to be a storyteller.
Me too.
But it can't be when Marjorie Maxwell is signing Sarah Solver books at her booth.
Right. We really want to meet her.
No problem. She's signing in the afternoon. If you two read in the morning, you'll still have plenty of time.
Perfect.
What do we need to do?
Just pick out some of your favorite picture books to read to the younger kids.
Well, that shouldn't be too hard. Oh, this is so hard. There are so many good books, Clifford. I don't know which ones I should choose.
You've got to help me. I can't figure out which books to pick.
I know, it's so hard. Come on in. Hello? It's me. Let me guess. You're having trouble picking which books to read at the fair. How did you know? Lucky guess. Why don't you put them over by Nina's stack?
Can you guys help me?
Evan? Pick out the books to read? Come on in.
Whoa.
Looks like we've got enough to choose from. Here's one that Mr. Solomon wrote. Flo and Zoe can't say no. Oh, that's the one about the cookies. I like that one. It's funny.
We should definitely bring it.
Oh, how about Ducky Days takes a bath?
Oh, I love Ducky Days. Rub-a-dub-dub in the tub-a-tub-tub. Rub-a-dub-dub in the tub-a-tub-tub. Rub-a-dub-dub in the tub-a-tub. I read that a long time ago. But I think the younger kids will really like it.
Well, if you remember it that well, I think we should include it.
Oh, what's this? The Amazing Adventures of Clifford the Courageous Canine.
Ruff, ruff, ruff. Clifford the Courageous Canine. Those are stories that I make up with Clifford. We pretend he's a superhero with a special utility collar and cape.
That sounds neat.
It is. The stories are lots of fun to make up. Clifford the Courageous Canine. I'm lost in the woods, and a squirrel just ate my last granola bar. Come rescue me! Oh, thank you, Clifford. You really are a courageous canine. Ruff, 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 ruff.
Should we bring it?
Well, it's not really finished yet.
Okay, it looks like we've got enough for the book fair anyway.
Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Ruff, 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 ruff. Look how many people are here.
Here's the schedule. We have enough books to last until noon.
Which is when Evan and Shun will arrive with the next batch.
And then we'll go see Marjorie Maxwell and get the new Sarah Solver mystery book.
Oh, and we brought you two some snacks so that you don't get hungry. Okay, who's ready for story time? Me! And Flo looked up at the baker.
Would you like another cookie? Asked the baker.
And even though she was full, Flo just couldn't say no. The end.
And as Ducky Days finally got clean, he sang,
Rub-a-dub-dub in the tub-a-tub-tub.
The end. Wow, great job, guys. Did you like the story?
Yeah!
So did I. What's next?
We're all out of books. More!
What? We can't be.
We had enough books to last until noon.
It is noon.
Where are Evan and Shun? They were supposed to be here by now.
I'm sure they'll be here any minute.
If they're not, I'll miss Marjorie Maxwell and the new Sidarskys mystery book.
I know. And there's another problem.
What?
They're waiting for more stories, and we've already read all of these.
Oh, no. Well, can we reread some of them?
They've already heard them.
Ah, how could Evan and Shun do this to us?
More!
Where are Evan and Shun? They're so late.
Well, I'm sure they have a good reason.
Maybe, but I'm still missing the Sidarskys mystery presentation.
That's not our only problem. The kids look really bored.
I know, but what are we gonna do? We don't have any more books to read.
Silly puppy. You look just like Clifford the Courageous Canine.
That's it?
What's it?
Clifford the Courageous Canine. We'll tell them those stories.
But we left the book at home, remember?
Yes, but where did you and Clifford get the story ideas in the first place?
Well, we just used our imaginations and made them up. Hey, we can do that now. Who can help us?
Clifford the Courageous Canine! Yay! And don't forget your sidekick, Heroic Jorge.
Yay!
Clifford the Courageous Canine!
We are so sorry.
Where have you been?
We had to help Mr. Solomon.
One of the wheels on my wheelchair broke. Evan and Shun helped me back to my apartment so I could fix it.
We figured you had a good excuse. You two should hurry up and go get the Sarah Solver book.
It's too late. It's already over.
I'm really, really sorry, Nina.
I hope you're not mad at us.
Of course not. I am disappointed, though. I really wanted to meet Marjorie Maxwell.
Well, I'm pretty proud of you girls. You could have just left these kids, but you didn't. That showed a lot of responsibility.
I just wanted to tell you two that my son and I have had the best time listening to you tell those Clifford stories.
Thanks. We had a fun time telling them.
Did you make them up yourselves? Because I write stories too, mostly mysteries.
Ah, mysteries are my favorite. Have you read those Sarah Solver mysteries? Oh, Marjorie Maxwell is the best.
Well, thank you. It's always nice to meet one of my readers.
Wait, you're Marjorie Maxwell? I'm your #1 fan.
You know, I have a new book called Sarah Solver Saves the Day.
I know. I was hoping to get a copy of it this afternoon, but I guess they're all gone now.
Well, I have a few extra copies if you're interested.
Are you kidding? We're very interested.
No problem. But first, I think you've got some of your own fans waiting to meet you.
We do?
We better get back.
Come on, you can help us too.
We need another big problem for Clifford the Courageous Canine to solve.
There's a man named Mr. Solomon.
And the wheel on his wheelchair breaks. Oh no! This sounds like a job for...
Clifford the Courageous Canine! And...
Hooray! Ruff!
Clifford, what are you doing?
I have a play date in the laundry room with the Sidarskys. I want to share all my favorite toys, but if I move them one by one, I'll spend the whole play date going up and down the stairs.
Oh, how about if we help?
Sure, if we each carry a few toys.
They'd all be in the laundry room in no time.
That'd be great. Thanks, guys.
Clifford's friends know that it's important to help others. Because when you help someone, you can make their really big job not so big at all. That's why Clifford's idea to grow on for today is help others.
Oh, thanks, guys. Now there's just one more thing. Could you help us play with all these toys?
You bet!
All right! All right!